Hi everyone. We are in a new BTO, 5-room BTO in Marsiling, and today what we're going to do is we are going to overlay the entire living room and the 2 bathrooms, okay, with metallic epoxy. Okay, let me show you the designs that the owner has actually chosen. All right, so this is actually for the living area, which is the main floor of the house. Those 2 are actually for the bathrooms. Okay, we have already started the preparation works, and we have actually laid our plastic sheets onto the wall. Next, we will apply a layer of sealer onto the floor. And on the second day, we will be applying this self-leveling compound to make sure that the surface is even. And on the third day, we'll be applying our primer plus our designs. On the 4th day, we'll be applying our final layer of top coat. And on the very last day, we'll be removing any protective layers on the walls and doing a thorough cleanup of the entire house before handing over the house back to the client. Hey everyone, we're finally back in this 5-room BTO. It took quite a while for us to come back here to film because the owner had to do renovation and move in. But I have this opportunity today to show you how our metallic epoxy floors can actually complement a completely renovated home. Let's go. So a lot of people ask me whether this can be done in HDB, in BTOs. I mean, I can tell them this can be done in any kinds of flooring. And if you look closely, the floor has no grout lines. It is super easy to clean and maintain, and it will still look good over the years to come. And this is the future of HDB Floorings.